Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the internet browser on your PS4. And this is very simple. Just on the home screen here, let's scroll all the way to the right to Library and select this. And then we can go on down to Applications. And there is a internet browser application listed right here. We can go ahead and start this and open this up. And this should rotate to the home screen on your PlayStation 4 after opening this, but we have a bunch of different options. We can make it full screen by pressing square. We can zoom in with R3. We can go to options and we can go to browsing history, and we can delete our browsing history in here too. So if we don't want someone to see what we're browsing, we have that option. And here are the different settings. So it says please wait, and this might take a little bit of time to load. But if you go back to the home screen, you can see under here the application will be on the front now. So I just saved this in a folder with all my other applications like Media Player, Share Factory, Live from PlayStation, etc. So maybe you want to do the whole same thing, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.